Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to favorite a wallpaper on Wallpaper Engine. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up the Wallpaper Engine app. You can access it using the taskbar as well. You just double click on Wallpaper Engine here, and then what you want to do is go ahead and identify the wallpaper that you want to favorite. Let's say I want to do it for this one. You just click on it, and then here in the right hand panel you'll actually see this heart. I want you to click on this heart, and when it is pink, that means it is favorited. You'll see the heart here as well. And if I click on filter results and I change this to show only my favorites, you'll see I have my favorites appearing right here. Now, one thing I need you to note, that just because you go ahead and get anything from the workshop and favorite it does not mean it'll actually show up here. You need to install it separately as well by clicking on subscribe. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.